Hello friends, welcome back to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make fried rice and serve it with chicken curry. So come on, let us start with the recipe. Put the onions, let the onions turn golden brown and take it out and keep aside. With this glass measurement, I have taken 2 3/4 rice. This is the rice which I have taken, washed it and let it be for some times. Onions are turned golden brown. I will take it out and keep aside and mix a little sugar in it, so the onions will remain little bit crispy. I will put in the bay leaves, 4 to 5 green cardamom and 4 to 5. Now I will put in the rice. I will brown the rice properly till it turns little brown. So much of sugar I will mix in the fried onions. My rice has turned brown little bit. Now I will put very less salt. I have made some hot water, warm water, hot water. I will put this in the rice. You have to put according to your measurement of rice which you have taken. I have taken 2 3/4 glass rice, so according I will let the rice cook. Fried rice is ready. Now I will sprinkle some onions which I have browned and kept, and put sugar and sprinkle some coriander leaves. And add some lemon juice. My simple fried rice is ready. Now I will serve it with chicken curry. Fried rice and chicken curry is served.